Good morning from Paramaribo, Suriname. I'm here with another video and I'm going to show you the top 5 places to visit in Paramaribo. But first, let me find something to eat. I am now at the Sauna Flea Market, a market where they sell a variety of Indonesian delights. It opens every Sunday and I highly recommend this place if you're looking for some Indonesian delights. So I've got my snacks ready, but before I leave, I want to give a shout out to the friendliest man I've met in Suriname.
Hi, nice to meet you all. I hope you've all had a good day at the Sauna Markt, located at north from Paramaribo. And this was it for today. Have a great Sunday and please stay safe and be careful. Think about your families and the families of your friends and everybody at home. I love you guys and may we meet again.
Can you tell them your name, sir?
My name is Martin, like a Martin Luther King or Martin Lawrence. Martin Lawrence.
Alright, Martin, have a nice day.
Thank you so much, you guys too. Have a great day.
We are now at number 5 on our list, Waterkant. Waterkant is a river boulevard alongside the riverbank of the Suriname River. It's a nice place for a morning or evening walk, but you have to be aware of beggars because there are a lot of beggars in this area and they can be really annoying. Number 4 on my list is the Palmantoy / Wakapasi Park. It's another park if you're interested in an evening or morning walk. When entering Wakapasi, you will see a lot of gift shops selling souvenirs and some snacks. Number 3 on our list is the St. Peter and Paul Cathedral. It is the largest wooden cathedral in the Caribbean and it's one of the most photographed structures in Suriname by Surinamese photographers. On normal days, the doors of the cathedral is open for civilians, but today it seems to be closed. So I can't give you an indoor image of the cathedral. Number 3 on our list is what makes Suriname so popular. It's the only place possibly where a Jewish synagogue lies peacefully next to a mosque. It's a very popular tourist attraction. Number 1 on our list is Port Zeelandia. Port Zeelandia started as a trading post during the colonial times by the French, which was then taken over by the English, who named it to Fort Willoughby, and then was later taken over by the Dutch, who named it Port Zeelandia, and that name still stands till this day. Port Zeelandia now serves as a major museum for Suriname. And with that, I bring you the top 5 places to visit in Suriname And if you enjoyed today's content, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.